Took this trade in the F period. I'm just waiting for it to pull back into that area. Put on a couple orders right there. And we do pop over the C, but you see it do this all the time where it just kind of, breaks over the top. So, but I didn't want to miss it. So I wanted to put those orders in. And as it falls back in, it didn't move higher off that F high. So I added a few more here in just a second. I'm looking at that D low as the first place where I would want to take some off, just because I feel like that's an area where we could turn around. And all day I was watching the 4H chart, and it looked to me like we were going to, eventually try to go back into the value from earlier. Although we never did do that. I just, that's what we've been doing. Definitely could have waited until it broke that E high, basically right where it's at now. But, there's lots of trades like that you'd miss if you waited for that. Right here, I added a couple more because I was pretty sure that I had it at this point. So again, I'm looking at that low volume node, or that D low right in that area for the first few contracts. I don't normally take that short of targets, but just wasn't sure that we would, extend further on that low there, which is the red line in the middle of the screen. Even here, it almost took me out, but I was still pretty sure. Once it falls back in like that, when we pop over the top and it falls back into the range, I was pretty sure that we would at least get a look down to, that first target. So usually 20 ticks is my minimum, that I would take. So that's why I moved that down there. But you can see as we get going here, it pauses a little bit. So I go ahead and take a couple of contracts off. I thought there was a chance that maybe it would start heading to that low and it would just, blow right through there. So I moved that order down. Obviously, this went a lot lower. I just wasn't anticipating that. I thought we would, probably come down, test that low, and maybe snap back. We did have another chance in J period to continue with the short. So right in here, I start taking some contracts off. There's one. Split this one off, take the next one. And I'm looking for the 20 ticks on that next one. Right in there. There's 20. So now I have this last one, and I'm holding out for the low there. I'm watching, if we can't break that F low, I'll just want to close this trade because we'll just rotate back to the top. I throw that order in about 105. I believe that's about 33 ticks right there. It closes it out for the 33 ticks on the last one.